Gentlemen, on behalf of Tech and my team, welcome on board our World flight. It's a pleasure to see you again. My name is Isabel, your in-flight service manager. We're looking forward to making your journey a pleasant and comfortable one, and we hope you will enjoy the flight with us. Thank you.
2215.
Yes, sir. Our ground crew advises that you
Before we
push
take
from
off,
the Alpha
store your
Alpha.
luggage under the seat in front of you.
It's actually a taxi lane, so an uncontrolled piece of ramp. So push at your discretion. Advise ready taxi.
Yes, 2215.
And will it be de-ice or departure?
Yes, 2215 negative to go.
Roger.
Make sure that your seat belt is securely
Brisbane
fastened
Tower velocity
during taxi,
477 is
takeoff,
going missed.
and landing. To fasten, bring the
Velocity
seat belt
477,
to
contact
the
Brisbane
belt
approach
until
on 124.7. Good day.
Tighten it by pulling on the strap.
Now Southwest 1534, off on
To
Foxtrot going to Bravo 2.
lift the metal
Southwest
flap. We
1534,
recommend
ground
keeping your
joint
seat
Tango.
belt fastened throughout the flight.
124.7 velocity
Whenever the seat belt
477.
sign is turned on,
Goodbye.
infants should be lifted from the bassinet and secured with an infant seat belt. If there is a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Place it over your mouth and nose. Pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as
Ground
usual.
Southwest
Secure your
776
mask
at
first
Alpha 9,
before
ready to
helping
push. We have
others.
X-ray.
Southwest
is normal for the bag to
776,
not
push
fully
onto the ramp at
inflate.
your discretion. Will you need de-ice?
Please set parking brakes.
There are several emergency exits.
Waiting your confirmation for a good engine
Now
start.
to locate your nearest exit.
Cockpit to ground.
Behind you.
We have a good engine start.
Count
You can
the
disconnect.
seats to the closest exit in front and behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency or when you hear the command, brace, brace. Assume the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and place it on the back of the front
Ground
seat.
1534.
Place your hands on top of your
When you
head.
pass along the tower,
Keep your
looks like you're
feet
getting
flat
about
on
a
the floor
15
and
knot.
heels towards you.
Unlocking gear.
Start about
If you
700
can't
feet
reach the
outbound.
seat in front of you,
700 feet
lower
all the
your
way
head
down.
and lean forward
Down to
as
about
far as you
200.
can. Place your hands
you.
on top of your head. In an emergency evacuation, floor level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit.
Ground Southwest 453. Now we're ready to
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Southwest
Before using an
453.
evacuation flag,
Left is clear, right is clear.
shoes, and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention.
1717, red taxi.
Special life vests
American 1717, needed Papa, runway 28, taxi via Alpha 1 Tango Charlie.
Alpha 1 Tango Charlie, 58, American 1717.
Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as
Ground
laptops,
Southwest
must be
157
stored
off of 33 left to Foxtrot.
Southwest 1157 ground, I'm showing Alpha 8, turn left Tango, taxi to parking.
Devices,
Left
such as
Tango
mobile
Park,
phones,
Southwest
tablets, must be
152.
switched off or set to flight mode. During these times, charging your electronic
Southwest
devices
771
is also
on Bravo
not
9.
allowed.
Southwest 771 ground, it is occupied. Hold short of echo and advise me what you
Place
get.
the seat pocket in
Arrow
front
phone
of
for
you.
the exit, Southwest 771.
If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance.
Okay, Echo Papa Uniform Southwest, 596. Southwest 1608.
Yes, sir.
Looks like our gate is occupied, or they're holding us out. You're saying at least 15 minutes. Holding on Bravo, okay with you?
Southwest 1608 affirmative. You can hold your position at being the pier there. Let me know what they say. I can't see that gate.
Okay, we'll let you know. We're cleared in for Southwest 1608.
Southwest 147 ground taxi to Park via Tango.
Park via Tango Southwest 140.
Southwest 609 ground, allow company to park at Bravo 8, then push approved.
After company into Bravo 8, push through Southwest 609. Ground Clear Wing 1225, ready taxi with Charlie.
Clear Wing 1225, runway 18 via Alpha.
18 via Alpha, Clear Wing 1225.
Say 1225 MS, got it, Charlie.
Affirmative. Ground Tower 3118 is clear runway 18 Alpha 3.
Skyway 3118, ground left on Mal, taxi grant.
Left on Alpha, taxi to Midway, Skyway 3118. Bravo 65297 is on runway 18 at Alpha 3.
6297, which gate?
It's Alpha 1.
Okay, 6297, taxi grant, yeah.
Next to the ramp, yeah, Alpha 65297. Ground number 44, Turkey, we're off at Zulu.
Number 4413, what gate is out there?
You're going to 5, Alpha 5, number 44, Turkey.
Go ahead and taxi in to Delta Wakefield.
Roger that, we're going to taxi in, number 44, Turkey. Now Southwest 65, Alpha Bravo 3.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Southwest 6583, keep waiting the American from the left.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Actually, you're just going to follow him.
That would be no following, so
Singapore 773 at runway 19er left ready for departure to the west.
Singapore 773, wind 189er at 6. Departure to the west approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 19er left.
Cleared for takeoff runway 19er left Singapore 773.
Airspeed alive. Rotate V2. Positive range.
Singapore 773, continue for west departure.
Brisbane Tower Singapore 773 continue for west departure. 125 Singapore
Ladies and
77 tree.
gentlemen, for your
Goodbye.
safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt
Brisbane
fastened
approach
until the
Singapore
seatbelt sign
77
is
tree
turned off.
8,400 feet.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on,
Singapore 77
toilets
tree,
should not be
Brisbane
used,
approach altimeter
and we
30
apologize that we are
decimal
unable
21
to serve hot
contact.
beverages. Infants have to be carried out from the back and secured with infant seat belts. Thank you.
Good day. Turn right, heading 030, clear to Alice approach, runway 06.
134 decimal tree Singapore 77 tree. Goodbye. Brisbane Centre Singapore 77 tree 9,800 feet.
Singapore 77 tree, Brisbane Centre altimeter 30
Ladies and
21 radar
gentlemen, we shall be
contact.
starting our meals and drink service. For your entertainment, we have a wide selection of video and audio channels. Program details can be found in Discovery magazine along with healthy flying tips to help you feel relaxed during your flight. We're delighted to offer you an exclusive in-flight shopping experience after the meal service. Product details available for selection can be found in Discover the Shop magazine in your seat pocket. Electronic devices such as laptop computers may now be switched on. If your electronic device has Bluetooth or Wi-Fi functions, please ensure these are disabled as they may interfere with aircraft instruments and systems. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. If using a blanket, please fasten your seatbelt over the top so that we do not disturb you when the seatbelt sign is switched on. Thank you.
Delta 574, contact with first 121, good night. 21 Delta 574. Skyhawk 27, Delta 5 traffic, there. What's up, back? 125.2, good night.
Singapore 77 tree, contact Brisbane Centre on 125.0. Good day.
125.0 Singapore 77 tree. Goodbye. Brisbane Centre Singapore 77 tree 14,500 feet.
Singapore 77 tree, Brisbane Centre altimeter 30.21 radar contact.